Hi, I'm Joel and she is Mei Shan, my wife, and we've just moved into our very first BTO home in August this year. I would say the theme of our home is more of a modern contemporary style with some dashes of medieval touches. How we come up with this idea was when we were in Spain recently and we came across some of those Gothic cathedrals and we were quite amazed with the architecture there, and we were thinking, why not just bring this unique ambience to our home.
Well, I think finding the right designer, it's pretty much like finding the right partner when it comes to marriage. So two things obviously that we were looking out. It was finding that designer who is able to complement our ideas. So Edmund has actually proven again and again. He was able to push us and challenge us whenever we were a little bit too boring with our ideas. And he also kind of brought us back and hold us back on the ground when our ideas were running a little bit too wild. So that was an excellent compliment from our designer Edmund. Secondly, I think what is really important when it comes to choosing the right designer was definitely that open communication. So Edmund has been very strong in his communication when it comes to being completely transparent about the costs involved with the codes, as well as how the ideas will actually turn out to be like. Has to be the walk-in wardrobe. Basically, this is a girl's dream, right? To be able to have that space to put on her long dresses, her shirts, her clothes, and obviously my favorite part has to be my back display cabinet.
Yep, and for mine, I would say it should be the stone wall behind, because I think it's not every day that you see some stones in a house, especially in a BTO. You don't just go into a study room wanting to clear your office work. You go into the study room behind and you know that you're walking into like a cave, and there's some tranquility, some relaxation, and you don't just do your normal mundane office stuff. Yeah. Thank you, Edmund Lee from Design for Space, for our beautiful home.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.